Now, let me talk about the different architectures of multi agent systems. Firstly, why we need multi agent architecture? Because we don't want the single agent to get a lot of context, and it will result in context rot. So, the context rot will result in hallucination plus the latency. It will take a lot of time to generate desired result. And then we have API cost, because we want AI models. They have specific context window, depends on the model parameters. It depends on the tokens. So to reduce these things, we have introduced the architecture called multi-agent architecture. Firstly, we have the sequential architecture. Means, consider the agent 1 in policy agent. Firstly, it does what it does. It does data extraction. Data extraction by the specific agent. Specific agent. For example, the economic information, political information. They get these information from the external tools to get dynamic information. This is the agent 1. These result, whatever the result produced by this first agent, will be stored in the state. This state will be shared with the next agent. The next agent will be critic agent. In critic agent, what it does, whatever the data, this dictionary data, it has access to. Along with that, we have a system instruction, that is prompt. We have given it. Based on this will generate the next result. Based on the output of this gives the output. And then we have the third one, that is lobbying agent. Lobbying agent works on the output of this critic agent. This also have system prompts as well as user information, that is this state information, that is this result information. This generate the desired result. Finally, we have the fourth agent, that is synthesis agent. This generate the comprehensive data from this result. This is the final output show to the user. And then we have this second architecture, that is the parallel agent. In parallel agent, there are, let me consider the same example, that is policy multi-agent system. Firstly, we have data extraction, and then the second one is critic agent, third one is lobby agent, fourth one is synthesis agent. Here these three parallelly works. They perform the action, reason, action simultaneously, that is parallelly. They generate the result. Those shared result or state will be the input to this synthesis agent. This will result in final output showed to the user. Here we combined the both. These are the parallel agent. This one will be these two will be the sequential agent. And then we have the third architecture, that is loop agent. In loop agent, we will have the conditional system. If this condition is true, yes or no, depends on this. If the condition is no, then the agent action continues. If yes, moves to the last agent, then final output will be